Hello there, I'm Tracy.
And I'm Christian.
And we are Tumbleweed RV Life. And we are at the Canine Corral in Cabo San Lucas. And it's Monday's play date with the puppies and dogs. And there's a couple kitties here too. But anyway, every Monday they come down here and they take donations. You get to play with the dogs. And they got a whole, we'll show you on video, they got a whole corral here. It's called a yard, 2 yards actually, together, combined. The guy named here that owns it is named Kevin. And it's called Cabo Critters. They take donations, so if you want to donate anything, come on down.
Yeah, I mean they need dog food, they need cleaning supplies like dog, cat friendly bleach, gloves, rubber gloves, you know, medical supplies, especially flea and treat treatments, not the shampoo, the actual treatments. They will take it, so they're always in need of those items. So feel free to help them out or contact us, and we'll make sure that anything you'd like to donate gets it.
They will take expired vitamins, just medications. Go talk to your vet and see what you can get. If you want to get donations, contact us. We'll bring them down.
I'm so excited.
Because if the mommy needs shower.
Oh, yes.
All the dogs are looking like that.
They walk the perimeter, get them all the outside.
Oh, that's Sasha and Masha. Ella es Masha.
Masha and Sasha.
Sí. Y él es.
And this is Renee.
Sí, él es Canelo. Stacy.
Full house here today.
And there's a couple missing.
Oh, over here. There's Daisy the destroyer.
You should have told him that.
Is there a story to this dog?
You know what? We have to talk to Stacy what the story is. Maybe we should get that on video. Stacy?
All the, I don't know what. Sit, right? And so she was fine. She was good. And then she was tied up in a cement bag and left. And a little girl saw a bag moving and went and opened the bag and saw the dog. And then because of the education that we're doing, brought her to Allie. So we rescued her. And of course she was sick, full of worms and ticks and fleas and everything like that. So once she was healthy, we were going to get her adopted.
He's calming down now.
It takes some time.
He's calming down. His heart rate has gone down.
Yeah. Well, complete strangers, new place. Oh, here we go.
But this is faster than the other one.
Oh, he was abandoned for 20 days. It says they left their owner's abandonment. Every day runs in the road to see if they come, and nobody was there for more than 20 days. A neighbor gave him some food, and then some big dogs came and attacked him, and that's when we just took him. Because we were hoping that his owners would come home, but after 20 days, yeah.
Pepita needs a new friend.
Yes, she does.
There's a will, there's a way.
There he is, playing hard.
But I have
Canada's cold. Trust me. It's too cold for a dog.
¿Qué quieres, René? ¿Qué quieres?
But the hair is old.
He likes that.
He likes that toy.
The silent film era. And
Yeah, the
talking
silent-
Shane, he had a voice like Mike Tyson.
But anyway, it ended up. We're not really going to. Okay, got it.
Honey, get this.
They're curious about the camera.
I legally changed my middle name
Yeah?
because nobody knew nobody, even people I grew up with didn't know.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
No,
Ready?
Stacy.
What?
Oh, this is the one that fetches, right?
This is one that fetches.
And?
I don't need it.
Oh, I want one. Well, oh, okay, they're $20. Which would be.
I went into a coffee shop, and the guy who owns the coffee shop had a camera.
Hey, Charlie, I put it in the thing.
Oh, he smells the cat with his dog.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
He said, oh, I know you.
I just don't want it.
I know you've done good.
Hey, hi, how are you?
He said, I said,
Every time like that cool seaweed. He is not. So I brought a different bottle. It's the same exact bottle, but a different color than the one I've been giving him, and he won't take it. He is not like the brightest light bulb. No, he was wrapped in a blanket, abandoned in the arroyo, and I heard him when she stopped at the OXXO, and she's like, "That's a puppy," and the guy that's with her, "No, it's not. That's a puppy." She gets.
well, now you got a real baby.
Is it the grand food, maybe? Like,
Yeah. Put him in my driveway.
Or I might put them all on my new one.
was that a house? I looked over there. But now behind the tree. There.
Yeah, it's a vulture.
Yeah, you gotta put everything up.
No kidding. They got. It's finally warming up.
Yeah. Well, this is his first play date.
Oh really? That's. Oh my goodness, he's doing
We
good.
haven't had any play dates for the whole month of December since the very first week. So, yeah, maybe, yeah. Some brindle for sure.
So shy. So shy. She's afraid of the camera. This one is very curious about the camera.
$4,000 delivered, installed,
No,
leveled,
para que
and
quien
ready
me
to go.
tiene poquito
I'm like,
porque
no, they
a lo
level
mejor
it up.
tiene cosas que hacer.
And she heard crying and went searching, and Ocho was alone in the arroyo wrapped in a blanket.
And one leaf.
Somebody dumped them.
And they're all in their junkyard in Vegas. The guys just got. You buy for like $800.
You bring treats for all your friends.
I'm not in a hurry. So I'm trying to lowball them, you know?
And we have a pregnant mama.
No hicieron misa ayer ni nada, por eso salí todo de una vez, nada más.
Bueno, yo tengo.
¿Cómo va? Es ese.
How you doing, Scott?
El que dejó la chica que fue a entregar los perros con Andrés, ¿te acuerdas?
Oh.
Nada más de
Yeah,
decirle
you're on the side to the right. Back it in.
Now I'm getting a smile. She wasn't sure about me before. I think Santa must have traumatized
Convenience
her.
is in your driveway right now.
Wonderful, Bucky.
Wonderful.
I can't
That's
wait
a
to
wonderful
see them.
surprise.
My neighbors should probably already call the police.
About a week, see you about 10 days.
Load up the doggies.
Just to see what happens
Did you talk to the vet about
when I
your
go to
plan?
Montana.
Can you do that today?
The only thing to get is the cleaning lady comes every night. you know,
And-
it's just
and
part
only
of
one of
monkeys
those
to make
four-wheel
them
drive.
can't, you know.
Okay.
Just
Yeah, send me
get
this
over
one.
it.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I'm showing them down here, trying to get them sold before I come back. And how big's the little one, like a 75 or a 100 or?
She went up on 2 legs today.
Little 1.5.